Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites fast. Make sure your iPad runs a recent iPad OS and Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, unlock the iPad and place both audio devices close. Now swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. This gives direct access to audio controls. Tap the audio card in the upper right of Control Center to expand it. This is where you initiate audio sharing, so don't skip expanding the mini player before moving to pairing or selecting nearby headphones. With the audio card expanded, tap the output icon, then choose Share Audio. You'll see available nearby headphones. Bring the second set close and follow the on-screen prompt to connect both. While pairing, keep devices unlocked and accept pairing requests on both accessories if required. Once both devices appear, tap them to start simultaneous playback. Make sure to adjust each listener's volume separately in Control Center. This lets you fine-tune levels without interrupting playback. To finish, return to the expanded audio card and deselect one device to stop sharing, or tap Stop Sharing if shown. Playback continues on the remaining device. If an app controls audio differently, adjust within that app since it can override system routing. If audio drops or devices won't connect, turn Bluetooth off and on, restart the iPad, or remove and repair the headphones. These quick resets solve most hiccups. If problems persist, test each headphone separately to isolate the faulty unit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.